Guys, installing na kami. TRD carbon steering. So, original carbon steering. Ito, i-install na natin sa LTD. So, plug and play. Yan yung full carbon. So, 30 plus, 10,000 for reservation. Ferrari type, flat yung taas, flat yung ilalim. Full carbon, pati ilalim. Iba yung shape niya. So, send us a message. So, guys, ito na-install na. Sorry, medyo madilim lang. So, TRD. Yan, TRD steering. So, available for Innova, Hilux. Innova, Hilux, Fortuner, Grandia. So, ganda, 'di ba? Yan ang mga original. So, kitang-kita mo talaga yung carbon. So, we're just doing final check. Installation is 20 minutes. So, original yan. Innova, Hilux, Fortuner, Grandia. So, send us a message. We'll book you a schedule here at our shop.